Hello viewers, this Too Fast here. In today's video I will show you how I installed this steering wheel cover in my Nissan Rogue. As you can see, with the steering wheel cover installed, it looks a lot better. Also, this feels a lot better than the original plastic steering wheel. The installation takes about 3 to 4 hours, so you have to have patience when you're doing this, and I'll show you all the steps. Let's get started. Right here is a steering wheel wrap kit. Let me show you what comes with it. In this bag, plastic pry tool, a roll of thread, a roll of double-sided tape. There's a steering wheel wrap and the instruction. With this steering wheel cover that I ordered, I got the red thread. You can choose different colors if you want. Also comes with this needle that you'll need for stitching the steering wheel later on. Here's a look at the steering wheel in this Nissan Rogue with the SV trim. Now this trim does not come with leather, so the steering wheel has this rubbery plastic coating on it, and after I install the steering wheel wrap, besides looking better, it'll have a more comfortable feel to it, and it won't feel so slippery when I have my hand on the steering wheel. Now these steering wheel wraps are made specific to the vehicle, so this one I have here is made for my Nissan Rogue. The first thing you want to do is find the center of the steering wheel and the center of the steering wheel wrap. Now with the steering wheel, there are 3 spokes here. What you want to do is find the sides and the bottom. The bottom here, the cutout on the front is wider than the back. What I'm going to do is take this bottom part, fold it over, and you'll see this side here is wider than the back side. So this wider side will go on the outside. First thing I'll do is place the steering wheel wrap over the steering wheel and stretch this over the steering wheel. And just move this around so the side and the bottom will line up properly. Right here is a double-sided tape that came with the steering wheel wrap. Next I'll place strips of double-sided tape on the steering wheel and then press this down to keep it from moving around. Now press this down. I'll tuck the steering wheel wrap underneath the plastic panel here. I also have this other pry tool that I'll be using. Now you also need to tuck the back piece behind the panel here and do the same thing for these 2 sides here. So after the front is tucked in, you also have to tuck the back side in. I turn the wheel so I have a better view of the back here. And I'll tuck the back side here. Now I will also apply double-sided tape on the back side here. So this bottom side is done now. I turn the wheel, and now I'll work on this side. Now it's really hard for me to film from behind, but let me show you what I'm doing here. This is the front piece, and right here is the back piece. So what I did here is I use this slim pry tool, and I push this back piece behind the panel so that the front piece and the back piece are lined up together. So when I sew it together later on, both pieces will meet together. And I went along the entire back edge. And I push this in like this and tuck everything behind the panel. And here's a look at the back. Now after I sew everything, I can tuck the rest of it in there so there are no loose fabrics sticking out. Now with the front and the back tucked in, I'm also going to apply double-sided tape on the top side so this won't rotate. Now it's time to sew this together. But for this steering wheel, there are 3 sections I need to sew. There's 1, 2, and then 3. For the length of the thread that you need, look at the section that you're sewing. Measure the length of that section from one end to the other. Multiply the length by 4 times, and that's the length of the thread you want to cut. This way you won't run out of thread when you're sewing it. On one end of the thread, I tied 4 knots here. Take the other end of the thread and feed it through the needle. And then you have this amount of thread on it. Now I'm going to pass this needle and push it through the first hole from behind. Pull it all the way through. Now because you have that 4 knots, it won't go through all the way. It'll stop right there. And then bring the thread around, and then using a needle, feed it through that first hole. And you want to repeat this step one more time. So you have 2 loops. Now pull it tight. Now you can begin sewing. Feed the needle underneath the first loop, and then feed that needle underneath the loop on the back side. Pull the needle through. Repeat the same thing. Feed the needle underneath the next loop, and then push the needle through the next loop on the back side. Pull the needle all the way through. And keep repeating this all the way to the end. Once I get to the end, I'm going to knot it. I'll do one more knot. When you cut a thread, give extra length and tuck the extra thread behind the panel. And here's a look at the top section that's done. Repeat the same steps for the other 2 sections. Here's a look at the installed steering wheel cover. As you can see, it looks really nice. It has a nice soft feel to it. Perfect for driving. Here's a close-up look at this. So after doing this install, let me give you some pointers. With this Nissan Rogue, it was actually quite difficult to tuck the steering wheel cover behind that plastic panel. That panel is a very, very tight fit, and I probably spent a good 45 minutes doing it. And I also recommend you get a thinner pry tool like the blue one that I'm using, because the one that came with it is too thick and you won't be able to slip that pry tool behind that plastic panel. Now when it comes to sewing the steering wheel cover on, that was actually not too difficult. As you're sewing it, Make sure you tighten that thread so it's not loose, and the steering wheel cover will conform to the shape of the steering wheel. Also make sure you use a lot of double-sided tape to prevent the steering wheel cover from moving around. One more tip, any areas you have on the steering wheel that's indented, like this area here, or some of the groove area at the bottom, I definitely put more double-sided tape, so those areas with the steering wheel cover on it will stick closely to the indentation of that contour and not have any problems with it sticking out. As for the level of difficulty, it's not super difficult, but does require a lot of patience, and you need to take your time to make sure it's done right. The total time it takes to do this depends on your experience. If this is your first time, give yourself 3 to 4 hours at least. Now this steering wheel wrap that I got, I picked it up on AliExpress for around $20, and I'll include the link below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.